These unique glasses may look like a cute accessory for chickens, but in reality, they are a groundbreaking invention called the chicken blinder. This device was developed to prevent aggressive chickens from pecking and attacking each other. In chicken coops, chickens often start fights just by making eye contact. Sometimes, they even attack other hens, animals, and occasionally, humans. However, when chickens wear these blinders, their vision is limited, significantly reducing their aggression. As a result, their stress levels decrease, and overall productivity in the coop improves.